Hey guys, it's Lola here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Today's video is just gonna be kind of like a chit chat, and also this was a look that I wore yesterday for my hair growth serum launch when I did my live and also my video. A lot of people really liked it and they asked how I did it, so I decided to record the video. And this will also be the look that I'm wearing during my Fashion Nova post-quarantine summer haul. I hope you guys really like this video and you guys really like this look. This is just kind of like my updated, also like foundation face routine, I guess, as well. And also it's like a all elf look, so it's a lot of things, but y'all know me, I'm scatterbrained, so things are always a lot of things. But I think I did really good in this video and I think this look came together really well. Hope you guys like it, and all the deets will be in the video. And if you want to grow your hair, make sure you stop by my website and purchase my growth serum before it's sold out. Thank you. So this is the Go With Anything mini dress that I was telling you guys about. I like it because it's not too short. It's very comfortable. I don't know, I like it. It's cute. It's just like a tan neutral dress, you know, just good for like daytime wear. You can wear for a date, you know, anything like that. So I like it. It's pretty nice. Please excuse my compression shorts. I'm sure you guys can see them through here. Hope not too much, but yeah, it's really nice. I like it. All right, so this is the MIDI dress that I was telling you guys about that had like a little droop in it, and I think this is the CECILIA one that I had picked up the first time. This one is also really cute, just like a very simple, you know, black dress. Again, something for like brunch, just a day out, you know, maybe a date night, maybe your ex's funeral, you know, just whatever suits you at the time. Yeah, this is also really cute. So this is the Simply Radiant mini dress. This is really comfortable. It's like soft and like kind of like satin material. It's very cinching, so it makes you look like extra curvy. So shout out to Fashion Nova for that. It's kind of holding the girls in nicely, because we all know that girls of mine don't hold in too nicely any longer. But yeah, this is just like a really nice dress. I really hope you guys can't see my shorts on under here, but I feel like you can. I'm so conscious about it. But this is the dress. You know, again, same thing, cute for brunch, outings, your ex's funeral, whatever. So these are the Classic Beauty jeans. I really like these. These are in the size 13. They are super stretchy. They're really, I don't know, I'm just comfortable in them. They're such nice jeans. And do y'all see the booty? The compression shorts not even fucking it up or nothing, because let me tell you, they press all my life in together. It's not great. Got like 2 pairs of shorts on under here. But these are just so cute. These are so cute. And then of course I'm wearing it with the It's Not Me, It's You top. This is a really cute, like, everyday outfit to the mall or something like that. It's just really cute. Do y'all see her? Y'all see me? Please ignore my weird dancing. I'm so sorry, y'all. Don't unsubscribe. Don't unfollow me. These are the ALYSE distressed jeans with the voted most likely white V-neck top, and again these are in a size 13. This is a medium top. This is just really cute. I love this stretch. Any jeans from Fashion Nova that I know are super stretchy, I always get in those size 13 because, you know, they just make the booty pop. And I don't know, you guys, it's just super cute. This outfit is so nice. I would wear this just somewhere like, you know, very casual at night, or, you know, maybe to the mall. It's just a cute outfit. But yeah, just some more casual things. So this was the outfit that I was telling you guys about that says like Chanel all over it. It is super cute. I really like this. I like how it fits. I like how, again, it makes the booty look, all that. It's like very nice. You guys can see my shorts. Oh well. But it's just a very cute, nice outfit. Y'all gonna hate me when I lose this little bit of fupa. When I get this fupa gone and be out here. Oh my God, I'm sorry, I keep dancing like an idiot. Y'all, please ignore me. And this is just the BIGGIE Trust Nobody shirt that I was telling you guys about. Just another basic graphic tee. Like I said, I don't have a lot of basic clothes, so I just felt like adding this to my collection would be really nice. And it's just like, it's a cute top. And you can even, you know, if you want to make it a little extra, you can just tie it around. Oh wait, if I can do it. Y'all just see my nail pop off. It's very good. It's my fault. I've been trying to get it off all afternoon. So it's finally coming off. Alright, so you can also wear it like this and make it like a cute little croppy. Looks very nice. It's a very basic shirt. Let me finish this video before my baby wake up. So this is the Ava corset ruffle top. I actually really love this top way more than I expected to. It's very like beautiful and stretchy, and I think that's something that Fashion Nova does right a lot of the times, is that they put a lot of stretch in their clothing so that people can realistically wear them. A lot of companies don't do that. I had that problem with Femlux, and I just never have that problem with Fashion Nova, and I love it. I love it here. This is so cute. Okay, you guys, I just took this outfit out of the bag, and I think this is broken, like this little thing. It's supposed to be like up higher, and like, I don't know, the outfit's just sitting weird, and this is, I believe, broken. So we're just gonna take this off because I can't get it on all the way, and yeah, and also you can see my shorts straight through it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this off, and I should probably do an outro. I don't know, whatever. This is it.